Hi students, today we are going to discuss about mineral nutrition. Today our topic role of micro and macro elements. First one we will discuss about nitrogen and phosphorus, potassium and calcium mineral elements today. Okay, first element that is nitrogen. Plant can absorb these nitrogen in the form of nitrate, nitrite and ammonium. Okay, NO3 minus it is a nitrate and NO2 minus it is a nitrite and NH4 plus ammonium. Okay, plant can absorb these nitrogen in the form of nitrate, nitrite and ammonium. And where does these elements are present? These element nitrogen is present in all of the plant consisting these nitrogen. So all parts of the plant body containing these nitrogen elements, right? What is the function of nitrogen? What is the major role of nitrogen? It is essential. It is a major constituent of proteins, vitamins, and nucleic acids and enzymes and as well as hormones also. So which type of hormones here? Cytokinin, auxins are the hormones. These auxin and cytokinin are required. This nitrogen is required for the synthesis of auxins and cytokinin for the formation of hormones. Next one, what is that? Phosphorus. Phosphorus. Plant can absorb these phosphorus in the form of H2PO4 minus and HPO4 minus 2. Here H2PO4, dihydrogen phosphorate, dihydrogen phosphorate. This is HPO4 minus 2. This is this ion, monohydrogen phosphoric acid. Plant can absorb phosphorus in the form of dihydrogen phosphorate and monohydrogen phosphoric acid ion. Right? Where does these ion, these phosphorus, how does plant can absorb these phosphorus? Okay, where does these phosphorus is present in our plant body? This phosphorus is present in our plant body. All parts of the plant consisting this phosphorus. What is the major role of phosphorus? Okay, let us discuss. Okay, so it is a major constituent of cell membrane. Here cell membrane is nothing but plasma membrane. For suppose this is a cell consisting cell wall, and beneath the cell wall there is a plasma membrane. This is the major constituent of cell membrane is phosphorus is present in the plasma membrane in the form of phospholipids, right? And it's also required for synthesis of proteins, nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are nothing but DNA and RNA. Right here, what is the major function of phosphorus? This is involves for the photophosphorylations. What type of reactions here? Photophosphorylations are required for phosphorus. Okay, during photosynthesis. Then come on to the next element. What is that? Potassium. Okay, plant can absorb this potassium in the form of monovalent cation. Okay, where does this potassium is present in our plant body? This potassium is present in meristematic tissue, especially root tip and shoot tip also. And another one, where does this potassium is present in our plant body? Birds, leaves consisting abundantly these potassium ions, right? Next one, what is the major function? What is the major role of potassium? Okay, potassium play a key role in osmoregulation. What is the major function? Osmoregulation is the major function of potassium. What is meant by osmoregulation? Maintenance of ions and influx and outflux and maintenance of anion and cation balance is nothing but osmoregulation, right? Next one, photosynthesis. What is that? Protein synthesis. Making of proteins is nothing but protein synthesis. Protein synthesis involves two major steps. What is that? Transcription and translation. We have discussed in next class, right? Briefly. Next one, another role of potassium. What is that? Opening and closing mechanism of stomata. Opening and closing mechanism of stomata is regulated by potassium ion. Next, coming to the final one. What is that? Calcium. Calcium is absorbed by plants in the form of divalent cation. What is that form? Divalent cation. Right? Here, potassium is absorbed by plants in the form of monovalent cation. Here in case of calcium is absorbed by plants in the form of divalent cation. Hey, okay, we have to remember here. Don't get confused. You should maintain clarity, right? This calcium is present at meristematic tissue, especially root tips and shoot tips, and as well as differentiating tissue. Which tissue is considered as a differentiating tissue? As a rapid cell division, cell loses their capacity and differentiated into specialized tissue. Such type of tissue is differentiating tissue. What is the major function of calcium? Synthesis of cell wall, and it is also required for formation of mitotic spindle apparatus during cell division, and also required for photolysis of water, What is the major function of calcium? Photolysis of water is the major function of calcium. What is the major function of potassium? Opening and closing mechanism of stomata is the major function of potassium. What is the major role of phosphorus? Photophosphorylation is the major role of phosphorus. What happens in photophosphorylation? Addition of inorganic phosphate to the substrate takes place during photophosphorylation due to the influence of ATP, right? What happening in photolysis of water? During photolysis, water molecule splits into protons and electrons. Two molecules of protons and two molecules of electrons. Two protons and two electrons are evolved due to photolysis of water in the presence of sunlight. This is the definition of photolysis of water. So clear, my dear students? Okay, we will meet next class. Okay, until bye.